Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to knit this beautiful and very pretty knitting stitch pattern. See how beautiful looks of this pattern. It is very elegant pattern. It looks so nice. It is suitable for all kinds of knitting things. So this is only 14 rows repeat pattern, and you must cast on multiples of 19 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 19 plus edge 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. For the demonstration I took 19 stitches on my needle and plus 2 edge stitch. 19, 20, 21. 21 stitches on my needle. So let's begin from right side. Right side we slip edge stitch and we purl 3, and knit 2, yarn over and knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, purl 3, and knit 5, and purl 3. This is our repeat pattern. You repeat it again according to your stitches you have. Now we knit edge stitch. We did our first row. Now we knit second row. Second row is always purl on purl stitch and knit on knit stitch. We have to knit purl on purl stitch and knit on knit stitch. So row 2, slip edge stitch, and now knit 3, and purl 3, or we purl 5 and knit 3, knit 3, purl, we purl 7, and now knit 3, purl edge stitch. So we complete our second row. Now we knit row 3, we slip edge stitch and we purl 3, purl 3 and we knit 3, we knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, and purl 3, purl 3, and we have to twist these 2 stitches to right side, these 2 stitches to right side, like so, and we knit 2, we knit 5, and purl 3, knit edge stitch. We did our third row. Now fourth row or fourth row we knit as it is, so we will knit on the front side. Friends, we did our fourth row. Now we knit row 5. Row 5 we slip edge stitch and we purl 3, we purl 3 and we knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We knit 4 and yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and we knit 4. Again we knit 4 and purl 3, purl 3 and we knit 5. 5, we knit 5 and purl 3. Okay. This is our 5th row. We did our 5th row. Now we come to row 6 or purl on purl stitch and knit on knit stitch. So friend, I have complete 6th row. Now we come to row 7. So row 7 we slip, we knit and we purl 3, purl 3, we knit 2, knit 2 and here SSK. We knit 2 stitches together through back loop, SSK, and we knit 3. 1, 2, 3, we knit 3 and we knit 2 together through front loop here and we knit 2. Now we purl 3, purl 3 and we twist these two stitches to right side. Here we twist these two stitches to right side and we need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We need 5 and purl 3. We need edge stitch. We complete 7 row. Now we come to 8 row, and for row 8 we need as it is. Friends, row 8 is complete. Now we knit row 9. So slip edge stitch and we purl 3. 1, 2, 3. We purl 3 and we need 2 here. We need 2 and SSK. We knit these 2 stitches together through back loop and we knit 1 and again we knit these 2 stitches together through front loop here and again we knit 2. This is our leaf pattern. Now we knit purl 3 and we knit 5. We knit 5 and purl 3, purl 3 and knit 1. So row 9 is complete. Now row 10 is knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So I will be back later. So friends, row 10 is complete. Now we knit row 11. So row 11 we slip edge stitch and we purl 3, purl 3 and we knit 2 and here we knit these 2 stitches. Sorry, we slip these 2 stitches knitwise and also these stitches and we knit these 3 stitches through back loop here and we knit 2. Here our leaf pattern. We knit purl 3 and we twist these 2 stitches to right side and we knit 5. We knit 5 and purl 3. knit 1. So this is our 11th row. Row 11 is complete. Now row 12 is knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So friends, we have completed our 12 rows, and now we will set up this pattern again. This pattern will make here, and this pattern will make here. So let's continue by shifting it. We slip edge stitch and purl 3, purl 3, and we purl 3 and we twist these 2 stitches here to right side like so. We pick up 3 stitches to left needle and we pick up these 2 stitches to right needle and we knit 5. This is our pattern. By shifting it, we purl 3 and we will make leaf of this pattern. First 2 and we yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 and purl 3. Knit edge stitch. So this is our 13th row and 14th row we knit or knit stitch and purl or purl stitch. So friends, we have shifted the pattern. Now you repeat this pattern 1 to 12 rows according to the pattern. You have to repeat again 1 to 12 according to the pattern. After then your pattern will look like so. Here. So friends, I hope you liked the video, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and support me. Thank you to all. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.